Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to create a JavaScript program that divides two positive numbers and formats the results with commas for better readability. Let's dive in. Our goal today is to write a JavaScript function that divides two positive numbers, then it formats the result to a string with commas to make it easier to read, like you see in a financial report. This function divides two numbers and checks for division by 0. The toLocaleString method formats the result with commas and limits it to 2 decimal places, making the output clean and readable. The function ensures the divisor is valid, then calculates the result. Afterward, the toLocaleString method adds commas and rounds to 2 decimal places. Finally, the function returns the formatted string. In this example, we divide 1 million by 107. The function outputs 9,345 and 79, with commas inserted and the result rounded to 2 decimal places. For this example, dividing 5,000 by 3 gives 1,666.67. Our function correctly applies the formatting, adding commas and limiting the decimals to 2 places. This is the E6 version of the function, where we use an arrow function to make the syntax more concise. The functionality remains the same, but the code is more modern and more compact. To summarize, our function ensures proper formatting for division results, including error handling for invalid inputs. The toLocaleString method made it easy to add commas and manage decimal places. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Happy coding!